Alright, so this is going to be a very quick overview and reminder of how you're going to go in and add your text to your images. You're going to get to a screen like this once you hit your sketchpad, the button in the lesson, or if you just go through the website. This is what it's going to look like, something similar. You want to first go in and add your picture, so you're going to find your location, whichever place you're choosing to create your travel poster with. You're going to use this little button here. It's going to look like a plain piece of paper. You hit File, and you want to hit Place Into. That is going to allow you to, again, place into to choose your option. So I'm just going to go through here, and I will get my JPEG. And this is just a quick little sample, so it'll look a little different from the teacher sample that I showed you. Here's my image. I'm choosing to do Pittsburgh. You'll notice it may be a little zoomed in, so I'm just going to click and drag to find that corner and make it a little smaller so I can see my full page. So once I find the image of where I want to get it, I'm ready to start. So I have my image here. Next, I want you to add text. In order to do that, you want to use this the text tool right here. You can click on that. On the left side, you can choose your options as far as the color, the font, outlines, font size, and things like that. So you can kind of play around and see which ones you would like. Once you choose your option, I'm going to go with that, and let's go with a blue. You can go ahead and click and drag a text box and place your text. The first thing you want to do is label your location so you don't forget that. I want everyone to have a location so I know the spot that you chose. Once you type in there, you can use the select tool right here, this little arrow, and click on it to move it around wherever you would like. For the sake of time, I just want to show you now, if you see that this is what you like, you've went in, you're going to add your slogan, your location. If you want to play around a little bit, you can add some of these cool radio bursts. You just click and spread out. You'll notice all these cool little things coming up, and that's completely up to you. You can, if you want to add some stars around, do that as well, but you do want to kind of plan out how you want to add each effect. If you find that you don't like it, use that select tool right here and you click on it. You'll notice a little outline highlight will come up, and you can just simply backspace and get rid of them. So it is going to take some time to explore, but once you are happy with your picture, you got your background on, you have your text, you have your little slogan. Maybe I will add a slogan here. Right underneath, I'll add my Pittsburgh, let's say. I don't know, the city full of rivers. There we go, I have that. I'm going to go in and I think I want to add a little bit more effects. So I'm going to change the color on here, make it more appealing. One thing you can change, you have color, you can also add a gradient if you want to add a really cool kind of gradient going through the text, or you can also add some pattern. But for me, I'm just going to do a simple color right there. Now that I am happy with my image, I am going to go up and hit export right here. Before doing that, if for some reason you find that you don't like something, you don't like your last move, you can use this undo right here up there to change it, or you can simply click on it and hit that backspace to get rid of it. But I like my thing right here, so I'm happy with it. I'm going to go up here to this little button here and hit export. That'll take you to these options here. I want you to download it. That's very important. Download, because that is where you're going to be able to choose your JPEG. Once you find your JPEG, you can go ahead and hit download here, and it'll download directly onto your computer. Once you have the option, you can open up that download and rename it with your last name and submit it for your project. If you have any questions, feel free to middle message me or give me a call.